In this video, we're going to be learning how to change the subject. With the example on the left-hand side, the subject is E. It's E because at the moment, E is the only letter on one side of the equal sign. The question has asked me to make C the subject. So by the end of the question, I want to be able to end up with C is equal to. In order to rearrange the formula that I've been given so that C is the subject, I need to use inverses. At the moment, it says C times B subtract A is equal to E. The last thing I did was to subtract A, so I will get rid of it by adding A, the inverse. Negative A plus A cancels each other out, so this leaves me CB is equal to E plus A. Whenever I've got two letters together, it means I'm multiplying them. So it's the inverse of times by B is to divide by B. Times by B divided by B is equal to 1. So this leaves me C, and on the right hand side, E plus A. Now I've got to divide it all by B, and the neatest way of writing this is to write it as a fraction. E plus A all divided by B. I've now changed the subject so that C is the only letter on one side of the equal sign. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So doing the same as I did before, I need to reverse the operations. To make E the subject, the first thing I want to get rid of is the add B. The inverse of add B is to subtract B. This gives me EF is equal to A minus B. The opposite of times by F is to divide by F. So dividing both sides by F would leave me E is equal to A minus B all divided by F. I've now made E the subject of the formula.